If your hair looks like a frizzy nightmare and you're tired of spending hundreds of dollars at the salon, stop scrolling. Today, I'm exposing 3 completely free, $0 lazy girl hair hacks that will literally transform your hair from this to this in just one wash. No expensive products, no heat damage. Let's go! Hack number 1. Throw away your bath towel. Seriously, drying your hair with a regular terry cloth towel creates massive friction, which equals instant frizz and breakage. The $0 fix? Grab an old, soft, 100% cotton t-shirt. The smooth fabric absorbs water without roughing up your hair cuticles. Just gently squeeze the water out, don't rub. This one simple swap will cut your frizz in half, guaranteed. Hack number 2 is an ancient beauty secret that costs absolutely nothing. You probably have the ingredient in your kitchen right now, rice. Instead of buying a $40 shine spray, make your own rice water rinse. It's packed with amino acids that repair damaged cuticles and give you that expensive glass hair look. After shampooing, just pour it over your hair. Let it sit for a few minutes and rinse. The shine is actually unreal. Hack number 3 is the ultimate lazy girl trick, but it requires 5 seconds of bravery. The cold water seal. When you wash your hair with hot water, the hair cuticles open up. If you step out of the shower like that, your hair will dry fluffy and frizzy. The hack? Blast your hair with freezing cold water for the last 10 seconds of your shower. This snaps the cuticles completely shut, locking in moisture and leaving your hair looking ultra sleek and glossy when it dries. You don't need to be rich to have expensive looking hair. You just need to be smart. Try these 3 $0 hacks on your next wash day and watch your hair completely transform. Which of these hacks are you trying first? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit subscribe for more lazy girl beauty secrets. See you in the next one.